Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah. Assalamu alaikum, meaning may peace be unto you. I'm your host Zahak, and we welcome all of you for the next and exciting episode of Ask Madni Show, wherein we'll be asking Sheikh Arshad Bashir Madni, who is an MBA and Managing Director of an IT company and an international Islamic scholar, graduated from the prestigious University of Medina Munawwara, Saudi Arabia. So alhamdulillah, we have all-in-one Sheikh with us, as I say always, and inshallah we'll be discussing with him contemporary social religious issues which will be beneficial for all of us, and inshallah this show will be a common platform for Muslims and non-Muslims to unite on. And our topic today is very interesting and very logical. The topic is it possible for us to follow the Bible and apply it in our lives? So let's ask Sheikh about this. Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, is it really possible for human beings, for us to follow the Bible and apply it in our lives?
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It is not possible for a human being to follow the Bible and apply it. I can give you the several reasons. Number one is, firstly, is in Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 19, verse number 23. This verse states that the one who is have money, and the billionaire and millionaire, the rich man cannot be enter into the heaven. It is my humble request to the billionaires and the millionaires of the world to find another religion to be a qualify for heaven. So that we can say the Bible is not, it is not possible for human being to follow the Bible and apply it. The second reason is Gospel of Mark, chapter number 11, verse number 23. This verse states that the good Christian is the one who commands the mountain to rise. The mountain should follow his command, which means the good Christian on the face of the earth, no, we can't find any Christian to meet this criteria.
Right.
So how can we say and how can we apply these verses in our life?
Right.
And third proof we can give and say in Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 16, verse number 17 and 18, whatever the Pope say, it would like Allah, it would like a commandments of God.
It would be like the command of God.
Command of God. So Catholic people, they use these verses so much extent, and they charge from all the Christian people. They have to pay heavy checks. Later on, many Christians, they revolted against the Catholic and they made one sect called as Protestant.
Yeah.
And later on, this teaching led them to make and create First World War and Second World War according to the one theory, because the 98 countries of Christians involved in this First World War and Second World War, and it appears like a Catholic and Protestant war. It appears like that according to the one theory. And in the First World War and Second World War, 70 million innocent people were killed. 7 crore, imagine, 7 crore innocent people were killed in the First World War and Second World War. Alhamdulillah, the hands of Muslim countries was safe from the bloods of innocent. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
Right.
And if you read the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 19, verse number 21. It says that the person who want to enter into the heaven, he has to away from the marriage.
He has to keep away from
He has to
marriage.
keep away from the marriage. It is my humble request from those Christian brother who want to marry and who want to celebrate the Valentine's Day. Imagine from the Europe and from the American communities, they are celebrating the Valentine's Day. That means it is not possible for human being to follow and apply the Bible teaching.
Right.
And if you read the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 10, verse number 35 and 36. In this verse states that the Jesus himself said, I did not come to bring peace, but a sword.
Okay.
Imagine if we want to maintain the peace of the world, how can we apply this verse?
Right.
And the sixth proof is Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 5, verse number 38. If anyone slap on your cheek, you have to give your another cheek. But the First World War and Second World War, in which 98 countries were Christian, appear to be like a Catholic and Protestant. This proves these teachings. This proves a human being cannot apply and follow these teachings. So with this we can conclude it is not possible for a human being to follow and apply the Bible.
Right. That's really interesting.
Yes.
Jazakallah khair, Sheikh. May Allah
Barakallah.
accept your deeds and
Barakallah.
intentions. So Alhamdulillah, that was Sheikh Arshad Bashir Madni, who was telling us from the Bible itself that it's not possible for us to implement and apply the rules mentioned in the Bible, because Bible has stated many such things which are illogical and irrational and intangible, which cannot be implemented in our lives. So inshallah, we'll be coming up with more interesting topics in future in our episodes, so don't miss and keep watching Ask Madni Show. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
اللهم صل على محمد رسول الله اللهم صل على محمد نبي الله